Something interesting now for you from the world of cryptocurrencies. It's called STEPN and it's a Web3 sort of leisure lifestyle app. It's based around NFTs and trainers and sneakers and some cutting edge stuff in that world. Now it's pushing the boundaries for me in the world of trading, but I'm here to give it a go and do some analysis on it. The coin off the back of that, the token off the back of that, is called GMT. It's only been around for a few months, up over 500%. A lot of social interest out there, sentiment positive for it. I'm not sure how much longevity it's got, but it's here. It's got a trading pulse, so I'm going to take a look at it. So let's dig into the technicals and get stuck into that analysis. Like I said in the intro, this has only been out since early March and already up over 500%, just pulling back a little. So we don't really have any long-term technical analysis data to go on. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to have to change those time frames, bring them down to maybe 3 hours, 1 hour, so we can get some sort of history and see how the thing is playing around at the moment. So the weekly line chart there really not giving us much of anything other than we know that it's up quite dramatically since its launch. From that pullback, using the 4-line break chart, we've got a couple of bullish entries for you at spot 31 and the round number 3. So if you're bullish, want to get into STEPN GMT, then there's some possibilities for you. So my usual daily Heikin-Ashi analysis, I've taken it down to a 3-hour Heikin-Ashi chart just to give us a bit of price action to play with. We can see the whole of the life series of GMT here, price running up that 500% and then just pulling back from those highs and leaving the signals all bearish at the moment, and volume and volatility, especially in the world of cryptocurrency, nothing to talk about at the moment. Trend up on the price action. It's pretty neutral to weak bullish at the moment. So as we know, Renko cares about price action, not time, so I haven't had to fiddle with the variables like I did with the other charts, and I've used a 0.04 block size to, like I say, give us some price action, some trends, some swings in the price of GMT. And at the moment our signals are weak bearish. You can see the trend up, but that pull back there. I'm currently in a short-term sell on the 2-line pink box breakout setup, and for potential targets to the upside, we've got 3.94 sort of area, first port of call, then just under 5, and then around about 6. But if the sentiment fails and we see a pullback, then look for that 38.2 Fibonacci line at 1.29. So score time then, and I've given it a weak bullish overall. Really difficult to give it a score because of its newness to the market. The Heikin-Ashi chart, a bit of a mixed bag, but with that trend strength, giving it a weak bullish. Same for the Renko. A couple of bullish entries to the top right there for you at 2.31 and 3. In terms of targets, 5.16 and 8.5 to the upside, 2.1, 3.1 to the downside. So there is some good movement there in either direction, but especially if you're bullish. But overall at the moment, a weak bullish score. I think it's too early days really to draw any conclusions from the technical analysis or the fundamentals. I'm definitely going to keep it on my watch list. It's an interesting one, but whether it takes off or not, time will tell. Let me know in those comments below what you think of STEPN and GMT, where you think it's heading next, and if you want me to do any analysis around any other coins, cryptocurrencies, please let me know in those comments and I'll see what I can do for you. Now, if you've liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive further notification of content I will be producing. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, I'll see you in the next video.